I just got this in today, and there's various uses for this, by the way. So let's just open it up. I will have the link for it in the description of this video, by the way. So let's just take a look at what's inside. Usually in an unboxing video, that's all I show you guys, what's in the box. And I was thinking I would show you guys how to use this, but it's very, very basic. You guys can check out the manual too. So this does tell you what each thing is for, power buttons and so on, but it's so very basic. The batteries, which is good to know anyways. Right now what we're gonna do is a quick test as well in this unboxing. But I gotta tell you, the main reason I bought this is for my Christmas lights. It is the easiest way to check out which light is down at the moment. So let's insert those batteries that came with this, AAAs. So according to the manual, you place them downwards. And here we go. We're just gonna put this there. We're gonna take this out, might as well turn this on. And there we go. That's how it looks like. Very simple, minimal design, the way it should be done. And right now, let's just use it, because there's not much more to show you about this. I mean, that's all you guys get in the box anyways. But it's good thing that it comes with batteries, regardless. So let's check out if it works. So electricity is running through here. So here we go. Yeah, it's giving a reading. So that's great. Right here, nothing. Good. Because that's how they're supposed to work. It's AC. Perfect. So that's how this works. Hopefully this video helped you guys out. And if you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.